Hi, in this video I'll talk about React components. When you are building a house, the main building blocks are bricks, and if you're building an application, bricks are components. A lot of bricks form a house.
One by one.
Components let you split the UI into independent, reusable pieces, and think about each piece in isolation. Almost everything in React consists of components, which can be class components or function components. The simplest way to define a component is to write a JavaScript function. Here, I'll create a simple welcome function and return text in it. And that's a component. Now, to use it, I can just reference it inside of our main app function. If you want to make this component dynamic, you can pass a property to it. To do so, you can use props object. Here, I'll use a user property of the props object, but it's up to you how you will name your properties, as long as they are protected. Now, just pass a value to the property that we just used in our function, and that's how you can use props. Props are an effective way to pass existing data to React components. However, the component cannot change the props. They're read-only. Let's create another component. This time, use JavaScript class to extend the React component. In class components, you need to define a render method, which returns components JSX. To access the props in the class component, use this keyword. The above two components are equivalent from React's point of view. Function and class components both have some additional features that we will discuss in the next videos. And that's all for this tutorial. In the next one, I'll talk more about the state of React components. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. And please leave a comment if you have some suggestions for me or you just want to support this channel. Take care.